Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and we're going to be back talking about the OnePlus Nord N20, and this device is still only available on T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile, their prepaid service. It does retail for $282. I believe Metro might have it for $210 from what I've been hearing in some of my comments, but I've been using this device. I used it as a daily driver for about a week and a half to review it, and then I did switch back to my iPhone. Nothing to do with this phone or anything like that, just I had other stuff to review, cases and stuff like that, and I also got that new Apple Watch Series 7. But that being said, I did have this phone turned on and connected to Wi-Fi. It didn't have my SIM card in it, but it did have all my apps running and was connected to Wi-Fi. And usually most of my Android devices, if I do that, they will die after about 2 days, some even just after a day and a half, of receiving notifications and the screen lighting up, and just all that kind of stuff over Wi-Fi. This one lasted, I believe it was 7 days and 12 hours before the battery was around 9%. And that was, like I said, the screen waking up, receiving notifications, all that kind of stuff, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram likes, weather notifications, Ring doorbell notifications, all that kind of stuff, constantly coming in on my device over Wi-Fi, and 9 days standby time. If you're on cellular, that's probably going to be a little bit less, but obviously your device is probably most likely to be on standby for long periods of time like that at home. So the battery life on this thing is amazing. I've made videos about that. I did see a lot of you guys are very interested in this device. These N20 videos are still some of the most popular videos even after a few weeks. They are still some of the most viewed. So a very, very popular device that people are definitely looking at. And like I said, it is only available on T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile right now. But I have heard that it's supposed to be coming as an unlocked variant on the OnePlus website and places like Best Buy and Amazon, so you can pick that up. But I just wanted to do a little, a couple weeks later review to let you know it is still holding up. It did get a security update a couple weeks ago, or about a week ago, so it is up to date on security patches as well. But that is how the Nord N20 is holding up. Very well, very good device, very, very good value. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below.